Lesson 11, Bio Enhancement of Food Production. Improvement in food production. Food is one of the basic needs. It gives energy and everything for living a nice life. When swallowed, digested and assimilated in body, it keeps us well. It is organic, energy rich, non-poisonous, edible, nourishing, etc. Green plants synthesize their own food through photosynthesis, but animals, including humans, cannot synthesize their food on their own. Hence, they are dependent on plants directly. Animals, humans cannot synthesize their own food, hence, they are dependent on humans directly. Famine is responsible for the dearth or decrease of food, besides rapid and domestic increase in the world population. Therefore, as compared to world population, the food is very less nowadays. To meet the increasing demand for food, there is need for improvement of food production, both quantity wise also quality wise. Quality wise is that nutritive, it should be nutritive, and food can be obtained or food production can be increased by two ways, that is plant breeding and another is animal breeding. Plant breeding and animal breeding. Plant breeding, the improvement or purposeful manipulation in heredity of crops and production of new superior varieties of existing crop plants constitute is called plant breeding. Again, improvement or purposeful manipulation in the heredity of crops. Improvement or purposeful desired manipulation in heredity of crops, heredity and genetics of the crops, and therefore the production of new superior varieties of existing crop plants is called plant breeding. Therefore, we can say that plant breeding is for the improvement and the purposeful manipulation which is done to plants or which is done to the heredity and genetics of crops to increase the production, and that too of new superior varieties which are both good as quantity wise also as quality wise, is called as plant breeding. To increase food production, it is uh, an applied branch of botany. Plant breeding can be carried out using applications of principles of genetics, taxonomy, physiology, pathology, agriculture, rDNA technology, etc. Plant breeding can be carried out through rDNA technology, physiology, taxonomy, principle of genetics, pathology, agriculture, etc. Plant breeding is method of altering the genetic pattern of plants to increase their value and utility for human welfare. Thus, we can understand that plant breeding is a method to change the genetic pattern or to change the origin or the original genes in a plant to increase the quantity and quality, that is value and utility for the human welfare. The increased food production is for the human welfare. The plant breeding is done to increase crop yield, improve quality, increase tolerance to environmental stress, make plants resistant to pathogens, and increase tolerance to insect pests. This will generate a lot of yield, and hence the ultimate goal of improvement of food production will be achieved. Green Revolution here. Green Revolution was sequence of scientific breakthroughs and developmental activities that successfully fought hunger by increasing food production. Green Revolution by Norman Borlaug and M.S. Swaminathan was done to fight against hunger by increasing food production. Seeds with superior quality, use of chemical pesticides and fertilizers, and using the multiple cropping system, rotational crop system was supported by modern farm machinery. Was supported by the use of modern farm machinery like tractor, and also proper irrigation system which help for development of high yielding and disease resistant varieties in wheat, rice and maize. Plant breeding is traced about 10,000 years back ago